Coach Tin. And wait lang po ha. Ayan, again, I'm Coach Nida Maranon po. I'm 48 years old from Cabuyao, Laguna. And ginamit ko po yung ating program, yung products, nung una para mag-lose ng weight. Kasi ang dami ko po nang na-try pero maglulus, babalik lang din agad. So, ayun, after taking the product correctly, consistently, and seriously, I've lost a total of 20 incredible pounds po and 4 inches sa aking waistline. So, ayun, syempre, nung nagkaroon ng magandang result, maganda yung aking naging energy, nawala yung mga discomforts, and of course, marami po tayo, 'di ba, sa NC pa po noon sa Nutrition Club, hindi pa po sa VNC. Actually, meron na rin po naman ngayon. So, sa NC po marami po tayong mga learnings na talagang makukuha sa ating mga coaches, kaya talagang dikit lang tayo kay coach para magkaroon tayo ng magandang result. So, intindihan ko po yung value ng ating healthy breakfast, yung ating proper nutrition, kaya talagang tinuloy-tuloy ko lang po siya. And of course, magandang result ko. Gusto ko rin maging healthy ang family ko. Kaya talagang pinagamit ko din po sila. Kaya talagang kinwalify ko po yung level na pinakamataas yung discount, yung 50% o yung tinatawag na supervisor para po talagang mas marami kaming magamit ng family ko. And of course, syempre mas makatipid po talaga. Di ba? Parang buy one, take one nga yung sinasabi nila. And of course, pagka supervisor tayo, marami po tayong perks bukod dun sa discount. So, malaki yung nade-discount, no? So, yung mga opportunity, marami po siyang nabibigay pag supervisor kasi meron pong supervisor trainings or yung tinatawag na leadership trainings. So, next, Coach Lisa, that's why talagang lahat po ng trainings inatenan po namin, just like yung nangyari lang po last week, yung ating spectacular. Kasi po talagang makikita niyo yung bigger picture ng Herbalife, hindi lang siya yung products, yung company kung gaano ka-amazing, yung mga iba't ibang results and yung mga leaders, yung mga journey nila na ituturo po kung paano nyo talagang para tumagal pa talaga tayo sa ating Herbalife. And of course, sa pagtitraining po, nandun po yung mga top doctors nga na mag-train sa atin. Hindi lang po kasi yun galing sa amin yung mga sinasabi namin. That's why we're very confident kasi nakikita nyo po yan, nandyan po si Dr. Luigi Graton. So, isa po sa mga doctor na nagtitrain sa mga distributors para po confident kami na talagang totoo yung sinasabi namin. So, that's why yung mga members pa po dyan, yung mga hindi pa po nakaka-try and gusto nyo pong mag-level up kasi next, this year po, ngayong May 10 to 12, meron pong extravaganza. So, mga supervisors lang po ang pwedeng umitan sa convention na yon. So, I hope na maka-attend kayo kasi makikita nyo po yung bigger picture kung gaano kaganda po yung ating Herbalife and to think na member na kayo, so i-grab nyo po yung opportunity talaga na yon. So, that's why I really, really love Herbalife. So, let's move na po sa ating pinaka-topic. So, balance skincare combines nourishment and protection by Dr. David Heber. So, si Dr. David Heber po, he is Herbalife Nutrition Institute and chairman po siya, chairman Herbalife Nutrition Institute. And makikita niyo po itong article na to sa iamherbalifenutrition.com. So, as we age nga po, ganun din yung skin natin. So, nag-age din siya, nagkakaroon ng fine lines, yung wrinkles, dark spots, nag-lose and nagda-draining skin natin. So, ito yung mga direct result ng pagtanda ng skin natin. So, there are two types of aging. Next, Coach Liza. Thank you for sharing my slide. There are two primary types of aging na dapat bigyan din natin talaga ng pansin. It's the it's two primary types of aging na dapat natin bigyan ng pansin. It's the chronological and yung environmental aging. Pag sinabing chronological aging, it includes na lahat ng mga natural na mga bagay na mangyayari sa bawat isa sa atin as we age, no? This includes collagen and fat loss. which may lead dun sa expression lines. Ano ba itong expression lines na to? Ito pa yung crescor or yung kulubot that form in your skin when you make different facial expression. But when you're young, this lines simply disappear once your face return to a resting position. But over time, this expression line starts to become permanent. So, yung mga lagi nakasimangot dyan. So, iwasan po natin yon kasi pag lagi niyo pong ginagawa yon kahit hindi pa kayo nag-i-age, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga kulubot dyan sa ating mga noo. So, dapat nakasmile lang kayo. So, tingnan po natin yung mga nakakunot dyan. So, ayun po, but ayun nga, yung nagkakaroon din tayo ng mga pag-i-age, no, yung hormonal influence, yung that may cause skin to become drier. Kasi pag aging, yung estrogen pala natin and talagang yung testosterone level, bumababa na din siya. Then yung gravity which pulls everything downward, resulting in our skin para mag-lose yung firmness. So, yun yung chronological aging. Pag sinabi namang environmental aging, on the other hand, is directly linked sa ating lifestyle. It is the result of our good and bad habits na ngayon ay nagre-reflect na sa appearance ng ating skin. So nakadepende to sa diet nyo, sa exercise, sa exposure, skincare na ginagamit natin, and yung numerous other factors na uh, uh, nakaka-affect. So, pero yung aging, talaga namang hindi natin maiwasan, no? So, sino bang ayaw dyan mag-age? Diba marami? Kaya good news kasi there are things we can do to maintain, next Coach Lisa, to maintain yung healthy, clean, and attractive yung skin natin. Or ma-delay yung pag-age ng ating skin. So, how to maintain healthy, clean, and attractive skin? So, sabi, ito na yung mga tips. Eat healthy diet including safe supplementation. So lagi naman natin tong pag nag-Herbalife tayo, lagi na doon nating naririnig, no. Kailangan talagang 80% nutrition, eat a variety of food including fruits and vegetables, kailangan complex carbs tayo, cut back yung salt, eat moderate amount of fats and oil. So yun, isa to sa mga maririnig nyo. Then, live a healthy, active lifestyle. So, kailangan talaga 80% nutrition, 20% exercise. Then, protect the skin from sun exposure or yung sa radiation. So, we need yung mga nakakapag-protect, yung umbrella, like yung cap, yung paggagamit natin ng sunblock, or yung mga shades. Then, practice daily skincare regimen that incorporate products like Herbalife Skin. So, mamaya i-explain natin to. Kasi, bukod sa ating inner nutrition, meron tayong outer nutrition. So, sabi nga, protecting yung skin. Kailangan protektahan yung skin natin. Sabi ni Dr. David Heber, hindi lang ino-nourish, no? Kasi yung sun is a wonderful thing that we are all enjoy, especially pag summer or mainit. Maraming activity na pwede natin gawin, like mag-swimming, mag-beach, magbabad sa tubig, kahit kainitan. But unprotected sun exposure, so tandaan nyo to, is the leading factor in skin aging and skin cancer. Kaya kailangan nating protektahan talaga ang ating mga skin even on cloudy days. Kasi as much as 80% pala ng UV rays are able to go through clouds. So it reaches the Earth's surface. So hindi tayo safe talaga kahit nasa loob tayo ng bahay. So meron tayong, the sun has two types of rays that can cause harm to the skin. So ito yung dalawang yun. UVA rays, which are responsible for premature aging, and yung UVB rays, which are responsible for sunburn. So madali lang naman. Yung UVA, A stands for aging, and yung UVB, yung B, tandaan nyo lang, it's for burn. But that's not all. Did you know that this same rays can also cause cataracts, affects the immune system, and burn your skin? So, everyone must be protected talaga. And one measure you can take to protect your skin from the sun's damaging UVA UVB rays is to never leave the house without wearing yung ating mga SPF skincare products. So, tandaan, ulitin ko lang ulit, no, para madali. Yung UVA for aging, UVB for burn. So kaya importante yung SPF pagka bumibili tayo ng mga skincare products. Sa dito natin malalaman ang protection natin against UVB rays. At yung PA naman, protection grade ng sunscreen ay tumutulong against UVA protection natin. So remember guys, next Coach Lisa, aging of facial skincare starts in the 20s and 30s. So it is never too early to start caring for your skin. Everything you eat ends up in your skin, and what you put in your skin is absorbed. So, kung ano yung nilalagay natin sa katawan natin, and yung mga nilalagay natin sa mukha natin, talagang makikita sa skin natin. So to look your best as you age, nourish your skin from outside and the inside with balanced nutrition and healthy, active lifestyle. So, next, yung skin kasi natin is the largest organ ng katawan natin, no? Tinatawag nga natin tong Big Brother kasi siya yung nagprotekta sa buong katawan natin. So, lahat naman tayo may skin nga, sabi ni Coach Tin. Walang skin. So, naka-store dito sa skin natin, na-store yung water, yung vitamin, fats, and also yung skin natin, it's our immune protection. Then dito sa skin natin, nagre-reflect yung aging process talaga. Then, the average adults daw has 22 square feet of skin. So, malaki yon on their body. Slightly larger than the area of your twin-size bed. So, ang laki, no? All the skin weighs about 8 pounds daw. So, yun yung skin natin. So, here's the next, Coach Lisa. Here's our Herbalife skin products. And syempre, may mga steps tayong mga ginagawa. May mga number naman to. So, hindi na tayo malilito para maalagaan na talaga natin ang ating skin. So, yung number 1, we cleanse. Pag yung sa cleanse naman, we have this polishing citrus cleanser and soothing aloe cleanser. So, yung polishing citrus cleanser naman, ito yung sa oily to dry, then yung soothing aloe cleanser, yung baliktad, yung dry to normal skin, and yung soothing aloe cleanser, yung oily pa and to dry. So yung number 2 naman, we treat. So yung gagamitin natin dito is yung line minimizing serum. Then number 3, yung mga targeted, yung firming eye gel, yung hydrating cream, hydrating eye cream, yun yung pwede nating gamitin. So, napakagaganda nito kasi yung sa eye naman, yung mga targeted area, yung sa eye natin, kahit naka-relax yung face natin, may makikita ka ng mga lines. So, mas maganda tong gamitin nyo. Then, yung fourth natin is yung moisturizer. Yung moisturizer natin, meron tayong dalawang klaseng moisturizer, no? Yung Daily Glow Moisturizer. Napakaganda po nito, and para ka nang naka-makeup. Then yung Herbalife Skin Protective Moisture, yung ating sunblock natin. Then yung makikita nyo na yung protection grade nito, yung PA yon. Makikita nyo yung PA plus or plus, 2 plus or 3 plus. Yung atin ay mayroong plus plus. Actually, yung PA plus, yung isang plus has the ability para ma-block yung UVA rays, yung aging yung ano nito aging yung tina-target. 40% to 50% pagka isang plus lang. Pero pag 2 plus, yung nabablock niya is 60 to 70%. Pag 3, and 4 to 6 hours. Pag 3 protection grade, yung PA+++, yung na makikita nyo dun sa mga skincare products, protection nito 90%. So, ang 4 naman 95%. So, konti lang yung difference, no? So, yung 3 and 4, very good na siya para magamit natin. So, that's why yung ating skin protective moisturizer, napakaganda po. So, I hope you can try this. So, ayan. Talagang next, talagang yung ano natin, yung mga products natin, talagang replenish and rejuvenate, result in 7 days. So, guaranteed po ito. Then, next po, yung Herbalife Skin, then Herbalife Skin Products line din natin, combination po ito of blend ng vitamin B3, antioxidant, vitamins C and E, and aloe vera to enhance po ng appearance ng skin natin. And of course, next, it polishes, hydrates, replenishes, and improves yung appearance po ng ating skin. And talagang sulfate-free, paraben-free, napakaganda, di ba? And dermatology tested. So, saan po kayo? Andito na lahat. So, talagang protected yung ating mga skin dun sa gagamitin nating mga skincare products. Next, and sabi ni Dr. David Heber, hindi pwede lang yung mga nilalagay, yung mga yun lang ang kailangan natin. Kailangan din natin na protektahan yung, ay hindi lang yung protection, may kasama dapat talagang balanced nutrition and healthy active lifestyle kasi it works together para mag-support ng ating healthy aging. So dapat 80% nutrition and 20% exercise. So naririnig niyo naman yun. And of course, Herbalife Products delivers optimum nutrition kung saan ito yung kailangan ng katawan natin. And then ito yung ating global nutrition philosophy. Hindi pwedeng yung sasabihin carbs lang, kakainin, or yung magfa-fat yung mga iba, di ba? Yun yung kinakain, more on fats ang kinakain nila. So, dapat balanced nutrition talaga. So, makikita niyo dyan yung ating global nutrition philosophy. Kailangan 40% carbs, 30, then nandun yung 25 grams of fiber, then 30% protein and 30% fat. So, yun po talaga yung ating dapat na sundin. And of course, kasama na dito yung pagtitik natin ng vitamins and minerals, yung phytonutrients, ito yung mga nutrients na makukuha po natin sa plants. And of course, kailangan nga natin ng exercise and yung hydration. So, and rest. So, lagi nyo namang naririnig yon. So, ito po yung dapat talagang natin intindihan kasi itong global nutrition philosophy, it addresses our personal nutrition needs. So, ito po yung next, Coach Lisa. Ito lang po yung dapat natin kailangan. Talagang we start earlier na talagang alagaan, protektahan, nourish yung ating health, yung ating skin para we will age healthier. And say yes to Herbalife Nutrition kasi actually yung ating we're very proud kasi we are number 1 in the world in meal replacement and protein supplement combined in weight management and well-being and active and lifestyle nutrition. So, kaya napaka-confident po namin. And of course, yung say yes po sa ating Herbalife, sa ating good nutrition, na talagang ito po yung ang Herbalife has been recognized as super brand in the Philippines. And ibig sabihin po nun, yung quality po niya talagang hindi nagbago. Kung ano yung pinapromise ni Herbalife, yun po yung talagang nakalagay sa ating mga products. So ayan, narinig nyo. I hope marami po tayong naintindihan and ayan, start earlier para talagang we will age healthier. So back to you, Coach Tin.